Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert arrows in Google Docs. Arrows are useful for diagrams, flowcharts, pointing out important content or showing directions and process flow. There are two methods how you can insert arrows, and the first one is, I don't like this method, but I'm going to show you also this one. So if you click on insert, you're going to find symbols from the drop down, then special characters, and here you want to search for arrows, so you can type arrows or arrow and you're gonna find many different ones in different angles, different types. So let's say if I insert this one, leftward arrow, you can see I placed this by mistake in my cell, but those characters are mainly for pointing to maybe text, because you can't like drag this around the document or resize this. So you can just place this somewhere to point out to some kind of text. So this is the first way, and even better way how you can add arrows is by drawing tool. So if you click on insert again, so I'm gonna place my cursor where I want to place this arrow, like right here. Click on insert. You want to go to drawing, new, and here you can click on the shape, arrows, and you can find the arrow you like. So you can do this basic one. Now you can drag with your mouse how big you want to make this arrow, and then you can customize this. So you can do fill color. You can make this, let's say, red. Next to the fill color, you have border color, so you can change this outline. You can change the thickness if you want. And then if you are ready, you can click on save and close. And now this is going to add this arrow to your document. And if you want to resize this or drag this around your document freely, firstly, you can drag it by the corners to resize this. And if you want to drag this freely, you want to choose one of those options like wrap text or break text behind or in front of. So I will do in front of the text. And then here where it says move with the text, I'm going to select fixed position on page. So this means it's not going to move with the text and it's going to be like locked. So you can place this now wherever you want. So I can make this maybe, let's say, where do I have this chart? I can place it on the chart if I want. And now let's say if you like to rotate this, you can click on edit. You can click on your mouse and you can drag this arrow icon at the top, and you can see it's rotating the image. So you can do maybe 45-degree angle like this, then click on save and close. Now I can make this a little bit smaller, and you can see that we have arrow pointing at our chart. So those are two ways how you can insert arrows in Google Docs. If you found this video at least a little bit helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.